There is a growing concern from state and local government officials, along with business leaders and many in medical communities across the nation, that we are losing our ability to provide basic health care for low-income citizens. Recent Congressional Budget Office estimates suggest that by 2019, the U.S. will realize approximately 54 million non-elderly uninsured. This burden for Hamilton County means thousands of residents, from children to teenagers to middle-aged to elderly, will not have access to basic medical resources. Since 2000, Trinity Free Clinic has been fulfilling a pivotal role in closing the medical gap as more of our neighbors slip into the ranks of underinsured and uninsured.
We serve, first of all, the working poor. And so these patients that we see are contributing members of our society. And since we are addressing their healthcare needs, we are keeping them in their jobs, keeping them participating in the community and earning money to support themselves.
The clinic, located at 146th and Oak Ridge Road, offers a wide range of services for all ages and all walks of life, with a holistic view toward quality of life issues, health, and spiritual well-being. The clinic includes a medicine dispensary, along with medical technology on par with most primary care practices. With a new 6,500 square foot facility currently under construction, Trinity Free Clinic is positioning itself to meet the increased medical demands of Hamilton County residents.
What we're finding in asking them what their family income is, it's about $15,000 a year for a household of 4. And these people are in desperate need of health care. The mission of Trinity Free Clinic is to provide care free of charge to our patients. So we want to make sure that they get the care that's most appropriate for them. And it includes their medications. It may include eye drops. It may include their glasses. Whatever they need to get as healthy as we can make them healthy.
To date, the clinic has serviced over 14,000 patient visits at our current facility. With the new facility, Trinity Free Clinic plans to increase its capacity from our current 40-plus patient visits on Saturdays by offering additional weekday hours, which will provide greater flexibility, efficiency, and convenience for the growing need in our community. What makes this story so much more remarkable is that the clinic is staffed almost entirely by volunteers. From physicians to nurses, clinicians, clerks, and specialists, dentists and dental hygienists, to interpreters and social service workers, Trinity Free Clinic offers so much for those in need. And our reward is the knowledge that we have provided the greatest of gifts, comfort and healing. This selfless dedication means 98% of Trinity's resources goes directly into patient care. Founded by Father Richard Dorr, senior pastor at Our Lady of Mount Carmel, the Trinity Free Clinic concept mobilizes volunteer-based medical professionals in Hamilton and surrounding counties.
I think the spark that started the whole movement of the Trinity Free Clinic came when someone asked the question to me, is there any medical outreach to the poor at Our Lady of Mount Carmel? And that question kind of stuck with me, and I prayerfully considered it and thought we should gather some medical professionals together to address the question, is there a need that we should be addressing as a Catholic community?
My job early on was to develop a business plan for the clinic, to actually turn it into a business. We needed articles of incorporation, we needed a board of directors, we needed just everything that a business needs to have in terms of infrastructure. Once we put all the elements in place, we had our very first clinic day. We were set up to do immunizations and just some basic physicals. And on our very first day that we were open, we found a little girl who had an eye problem, what's called amblyopia. We were able to detect that and then get her some service that was required to take care of that problem. And we all just stood around, and that was a miracle. That sort of punctuated and validated the existence of the clinic.
A healthy community can reduce crime, promote positive role modeling, and establish the values of life that are the cornerstone of our society. One of the byproducts of the clinic's services is the opportunity to learn new ways of administering proactive care for large communities that enjoy diverse cultures and ethnic groups. This wealth of knowledge is shared through a non-denominational, regional association of similar health services located throughout central Indiana. Now is the time to help us take that next step in filling the medical gap in Hamilton County by offering your support to ensure care will be available for everyone. We have many openings for volunteers who are interested in contributing their time to improve the health and well-being of those in our community with limited financial means. It takes extensive resources to fulfill the clinic's mission, and without ongoing corporate and individual contributions, Trinity Free Clinic will be unable to continue to provide medical services for those who have the greatest need. Now is the time to show your support before it's too late.
I think everybody has to find a place where they feel value in what they're doing. Sometimes you feel like you maybe don't have enough to contribute, or maybe the little that you have is not enough to give, but in the hands of the right people, a little bit can go a long way. And I think we try very hard to be good stewards of what we get from people. We try to respect volunteers' times and try and use their donations wisely. And I think knowing that you've done something for someone that they didn't have a resource to be able to do for themselves is a great feeling.
If there is someone who wants to donate, a company or individual, donating to the Trinity Free Clinic is someplace where your money really makes a difference. I certainly feel that everything that we donate is used to help people, and that's the reason we're here.
Please give what you can and spread the word about Trinity's mission. Through your generosity and the network of services Trinity Free Clinic provides, the medical safety net for our Hamilton County community can be realized.